We do a lot of computer-based work, like just on Google Docs, but we also do some labs, like for an example, tearing apart computers and figuring out how they work. Or we'll also work with some just basic electronics, like working with Raspberry Pis and light-emitting diodes, just the basics. It's preparing you to go into fields in computer science, whether that be the more IT fixing computers side, or the more programming and software-based development side. I like how practical it is. It's more you're learning stuff that will prepare you to go into that field. So if you're unsure about what you want to go into, but you want to go into computer science, it'll teach you a lot about everything, so you'll be able to make a decision on what you want to do later on.